Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're going to be taking a look at the CRKT Pilar Large, new for 2019, and you can find it at KnifeCenter.com. So the Pilar is a Jesper Voxnaes design, and we're big fans of the original. With a sturdy frame lock and a 2.4-inch sheep's foot blade, it's proven to be very popular. Responding to customer demand, CRKT has now released a slightly larger version. Not only is the blade and handle a little bit bigger, but they've also added a flipper opening mechanism, making this even better for everyday carry. The blade itself on the large version is about 2.7 inches long, same sheep's foot profile as the original, and you still get that really nice finger choil here that allows you to get a full grip on that blade. This is a great blade shape for EDC. There's a little bit of belly to it here, so it's not a true sheep's foot, more of a modified sheep's foot, but that profile allows this blade to be a very aggressive cutter. Because of the range of motion of your hand, as you cut through things like cardboard or any other long material, that edge is going to stay in constant contact as it goes down, as I said, making it very aggressive. The lockup is nice and solid on this knife, and it's completed by a tip up or tip down pocket clip set up for right side carry. There's also a new variant in the family, featuring a black G10 front scale and the same stainless steel back frame. Flipping action is very good on these knives, and that blade itself is 8CR14 MOV. Very easy to sharpen, as well as holding a very respectable edge, and the nice flat grind on there performs very well. If you want a little bit of a steel upgrade, there is a new option available. This all blacked out version features black G10 on the front, as well as a blackened frame and clip on the back, as well as a black coated blade. The reason this blade is coated black is very simple. This blade features D2 steel. Same great shape and grind as the other versions, but you get excellent edge retention with this compared to the base models. And it's coated because D2 is a semi-stainless steel. It does pretty well with corrosion resistance, but it's definitely not as stain resistant as those lower models. No matter which option you choose, this knife is going to be a very good EDC. Overall, the form factor in your pocket is nice and small, but the flipping action and the lockup is quite solid, and you still get that full four-finger grip thanks to that choil. So this new Pilar Large is just one of the many great new models that CRKT has released for 2019, and you can find all of them over at KnifeCenter.com. If you want to get your hands on this knife or any of those other ones, click the link in the description below.